In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically mute all participants when joining a Zoom meeting. If you host meetings regularly, this is a very helpful setting to turn on. It can reduce background noise, prevent interruptions at the start of a call, and create a more organized meeting environment, especially for classes, team meetings, webinars, or large group sessions. The good news is that Zoom lets you enable this in just a few moments from your account settings. To get started, open Zoom in your web browser and go to your account homepage. Once you're there, click on My Account. This will take you into the main area where you can manage your Zoom profile and account preferences. From the account area, look for the Settings option and click on it. This section is where Zoom stores many of the default controls for your meetings, recordings, audio behavior, and participant experience. If you ever want to customize how your meetings work before they even begin, this is usually the place to do it. After that, click on Meeting. This opens the meeting-specific settings where you can control features related to scheduling, joining, participant permissions, and in-meeting behavior. Since the option we need affects what happens when people enter a meeting, this is the correct category. Next, go to the Schedule Meeting section. You may need to scroll a little depending on your screen size or Zoom's layout. This section contains settings that apply when you create new meetings, and it helps define the default experience for both hosts and attendees. Once you're in the right section, find the option labeled Mute All Participants when they join a meeting, and toggle it on. When this setting is enabled, participants will enter your meetings muted by default, which gives you more control at the beginning of the session, and helps avoid sudden noise from microphones turning on automatically. That's it. The setting is now enabled for your future meetings. Keep in mind that muting participants on entry doesn't prevent you from allowing them to speak later. It simply makes the join experience cleaner and easier to manage. As the host, you can still unmute people when needed, or they may be able to unmute themselves depending on your meeting permissions. If you want a smoother and more professional Zoom meeting setup, this is definitely one of the best default settings to enable. And that's how to automatically mute all participants when joining a Zoom meeting.